徛台湾看世界，来看美国的众议院以223票对204票来通过一项枪击管制法案，讲告买半自动步枪的年龄为18岁提悬到21岁。不过美国的媒体讲，这项法案为众议院刷到参议院了后，应该是未通过，因为对美国来讲，枪击的管制一直以来拢是难解的议题。另外，进前发生的德州一间国小的枪击案，有21个师生来死亡，其中一个小学生抹同学的血来假死，逃过一劫。伊嘛录影片伫听证会来放送，甲大家讲这代志发生的经过。
美国德州小学的枪击案引起全美国关心，当时一位小学生伫身躯抹血假死，逃过一劫。即摆伊公开这段恐怖的过程。
He shot my friend that was next to me, and I thought he was gonna come back to the room, so I grabbed the blood and put it all over me. And
what did you do then when you put the blood on yourself?
Just stay quiet, and then I got my teacher's phone and called 911.
And what did you tell 911?
I told her that we need help and to send the police in our classroom.
总算提起勇气，11岁米娅录制证词，特别伫美国国会听证会放送。影片中，伊表示讲，又看到枪手对老师开枪。
And he went to there and shot my teacher and told my teacher good night and shot her in the head. And then he shot some of my classmates.
虽然米娅看起来真平静，不过伊所讲的内容却是真浓毒。看到这个画面，嘛，予伊有创伤。
Do you feel safe at school? Why not?
Because I don't want it to happen again.
And you think it's going to happen again?
米娅老爸嘛亲身到国会作证，讲到因查某囝嘛后甜。
She's not the same little girl that I used to play with, hang around with, and do everything. I wish something will change. Not only for our kids, but every single kid in the world, because schools are not safe anymore.
德州小学的枪击案造成21个师生死亡，全美国又搁发出管制枪击的声音，只是美国国会这一年来拢无共识。管制枪击的改革拢是有听声无看影。
我是陈雅玲，想要跟我一起从零掌握天下事吗？赶紧按下华视新闻 YouTube 频道的订阅按钮，开启小铃铛，跟我一起探讨公共议题，给您最专业的华视新闻。